Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal taste good. Let's start with the fundamental steps to create a delicious base. Using a 1:2 ratio of oats to liquid like water or milk is key for a creamy texture. Cook rolled oats for about 5 minutes over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Don't forget a small pinch of salt. It truly enhances the natural flavors. Elevate your oatmeal with simple sweet additions. After cooking, stir in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey for natural sweetness. For a fruity burst, add a 1/4 cup of fresh or frozen berries. A dash of cinnamon or nutmeg also provides a warm, inviting aroma and flavor. These small touches make a big difference. For a truly luxurious bowl, focus on texture. Replace half the water with milk or a non-dairy alternative for extra creaminess. Stir in 1 tablespoon of your favorite nut butter, like almond or peanut, for added richness and a satisfying mouthfeel. A spoonful of Greek yogurt on top also provides a delightful, tangy creaminess. Finish your oatmeal with a flourish of flavor and nutrition. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of chopped nuts, such as walnuts or pecans, for a delightful crunch. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for aromatic depth. For an extra boost of nutrients, mix in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These additions make your oatmeal both delicious and wholesome.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.